Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Hannah Season 4 is the lots awaited collection after its Season 3 changed into launched on Amazon Prime Video. But its shoemaker has already given an announcement approximately about Season 4. The burning query of some of the lovers is whether or not will Season 4 show up or not. Today we are discussing the identical and will we get Season 4 of Hannah or not. Was Season 3 the collection finale? Hannah changed into the collection model of the movie with the identical call, which has a 7.6 score on IMDb. The action drama collection accompanied the adventure of a younger lady to turn out to be a CIA agent and crack numerous instances and her adventure within inside the forest. That's the large query as to the showrunner David Farr has already given an announcement within inside the interview. That changed into constantly the intention to be honest, he revealed. You have been given the upbringing of the kid Hannah and then you were given the adolescent Hannah, after which Act 3 is the give up of the adventure. And every one of these elements of the adventure entails a mention of various elements of herself emotionally. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. It additionally entails massive discoveries in phrases of factors she did not recognize and matters we did not recognize, and that's a genuine very lot for this season. So that's how I've constantly planned, he said. So as in step with the interview given with the aid of using the showrunner. We might also additionally finish the Season 4 of Hannah will by no means show up, but who is aware of Amazon's first rate recognized for its prequels and sequels? So we might also additionally assume that the identical for the maximum cherished spy drama collection. The tale of a younger Hannah is over and Season 3 changed into definitely very enjoyable bankruptcy of her existence, so Season 4 can be a brand new beginning in her existence. However, Farr already has indicated that Season 4 is by no means gonna be show up with the subsequent storyline. So for Season 4 of the display, the storyline might be specific and it might display the distinction between the older timeline too. Hannah Season 3 ending. The story of Hannah Season 4 may want to observe a new existence, some other place as on the give up of Season 3, the tracks changed into finished. The storyline of Season 4 will need to be the brand new section of Hannah's existence, a maximum probable of her adulthood. We might also additionally see come back few different characters from the display too, as numerous and graduate retailers have additionally left the wooden with no supervision. So that may be the plot, and Han's sister can also go back in Season 4. So the lovers can assume Season 4 with the above mentioned storyline. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.